welcome back. Okay, today I'm bringing y'all another quick, sweet, short video. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. And yeah, it's fall now, y'all. This is my favorite time of the year. Like, I love fall. So we're gonna get on into this. Yeah, this bad boy right here, High John the Conqueror. If you don't got it, get it and stay stocked up on it, because it's good for so much stuff. I usually tote this like anointed with the High John the Conqueror oil and just put it in like the little green mojo bag and just tote it with me like all the time. That's a good, like, just all the time. It's not just for money or stuff like that. High John the Conqueror is good for a variety of things. But yeah, you could just get this anointed with the High John the Conqueror oil and just put in the green bag by itself. That's all you need if you want to do that. Another thing you can do is you can boil this High John root for probably 20 to 30 minutes. Probably not even that long. Let the water cool and just wash your hands with that water. Anytime you're going to deal with any money, or like you going out, you gambling or something, but use it responsibly. Use it responsibly, okay? Another thing you can do to draw money into you, you can take this and a dollar bill, and you're just gonna wrap it up. Just simple, it don't have to be wrapped a certain way. And just take you some white string, if I can get the white string. Just take it and wrap it around tightly, so that you know the dollar bill is holding on to the root. And then you just put it in the green charm bag, and you good to go. You know, cut that. I'm just doing this for illustration purposes. But put it in the green bag and just tote it with you. So yeah, I hope y'all found this helpful. If y'all wanted some money, you know, go shop the website. Shop the website, okay? So yeah, as always, stay blessed and highly favored.